Alright, yes, about this hair cell, I'm just going to talk about something that is very interesting, and I would like you to give me your ear because there are those things that I'm not going to repeat. So number one, when we are doing the extended finger locks, the things that you need to understand before starting it, yes, one, you need to observe the hair type. Like when the hair is thick and if the hair is fine, it is going to depend on the hair type. The hair type is the one that is going to give you the locking. So like when you try to look at her hair, it is really very thick. And now when we are locking, we are going obviously to make our locks very small, and yes, just very small, smaller than the dreadlocks. Yes, so that uh, yes, so that the extended finger locks can, like, so that she can achieve the extended finger locks. But the only thing that we need to remember is that when the hair is thick, it means the hair is also having the body. So what you do to maintain the good size for the hair and not to be a lot on the head, it means you're just going to add a little extension. You understand? That is number one. Then number two, when someone has got fine hair that is weak, light hair, it means when if we want to achieve this, still we are going to lock it very small. But now locking that, when I say locking very small, it means you pack it, you overpack it. So when you lock it in that way, and all we need to do is to add on the extension for it to come out nicely, because when you have fine hair, there we need to add in at least a bigger volume than that one with thick hair. So that is the only thing that you need to understand before starting these extended finger locks. Alright, welcome. My name is Morris, the crochet master. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning to everyone who is watching out there. And I always want, whenever you're watching, you can always tell me where you're watching from, or you can leave a like or a comment section in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from, and please don't always forget to give me a like. So this is how we always lock. You make sure that you overpack it very well. Now when you're overpacking it, you have to remind yourself about three things: that this person might be able to separate this hairstyle into three parts. One, that should be the middle line and the sideway of the left plus the sideway of the right. But still, this person can always also hold a puff. So that is the good thing about this hair extension. All in all, you need to do is to make sure that you pack it very well and you arrange them very well, in that there are those lines that makes the hair flexible to style it in all directions. So let's continue with the locking and see how it is going to come out. Right, so like here, when you're done, you just have to mix the passion twist of the water wave, then plus the soft kinky. Yes, that is how you mix it. Then you just have to come and crochet it this way, just like that, and then you start separating this into three portions, just like that, and then you pass through in the middle. So you hold this and you start locking it with your fingers. Someone might look at these hands and you think I'm doing the threes, but it's different from the threes. I think I'll have to make the good angle so that you can see it properly. So when I'm done with the hair, like where the hair ends is when I start doing the twisting. So that is how you do, so that if you're trying to level it up, it will help you to know where the twist starts from. Yes, you will know that it's where the hair stops. So this is how you do. I said it is the water wave mixed with soft kinky. So you separate into 3 like this, you see. Then after you come and hold the hair. Oh my god, this angle is also not okay. I think I need to get a better angle. Oh my god, I know you're not seeing it very well, but I need to get a better angle for you guys so that you can know it well. But yes, we are going to get it. We're going to get it so that you can see it clearly. But all you need to understand is that when we are braiding this, we just have to lock with the hands until the hair ends. Then after where the ends is when you start doing the twisting. So this is how you continue. Separate this into 3 portions just like that, and then you start doing the locking with your hand. I don't know how I'm going to make my camera very nicely for you to see, but what I'm going to do, let me just stand this person in front, because there you will see very, very well. So let's just do that, maybe that you can see very well when I'm plating the front one. Yes, so here you can see it clearly, just like that. So yes, just like that. And then after, when it goes through, just make sure that the hair, you see, the hair is the one that passes, just like that. You see how it looks, just like that. You continue doing that. It is not like plaiting 3s. Then after doing that, you do the twisting where the hair stops. So that is how it looks. So for those ones who have been asking, that is this is how you need to do this kind of a hairstyle. It is very nice, it lasts longer, and it is repairable. So if someone needs to repair, yes, you can always repair it as yes. So I think this angle might be okay. After you hold the hair, you pass it through like this. You see, at least someone can see here very properly. See how you move? So until where the hair ends, and then you start doing the twisting. It is very simple as in doing it, and it is faster. So those ones who are interested in doing the lockings, this is also faster than the dreadlocks, and still it lasts long. So please, this is what I got for you. But please, if you love the video, you can tell me where you're watching this video from and leave me a like. And please don't forget to click on the red button, ring the bell, so that we can learn together. Every week I make sure that I upload a video for you and of different type of hairstyles. So that is the good thing about this channel. Yes, and don't forget, we have a school of beauty, that is Hair by Clippers, because my name is Maurice the Crochet Master and I work at Hair by Clippers. So if you want all the services, you can always come at Hair by Clippers. Yes, by next month we are registering those ones who are going to study with us in our school of beauty. Please come and register so that we can start together this. So this is what I got for you, and you can always trim it very well. We are going to be learning both online and at Clippers house. So by next month, you can always come and be part of ours. Yes, let me sign out for now, and may the Lord bless you all. But before I go, the people always ask me about the moss that I always use when I'm applying here. It is for the olive, sorry, oh my god, it is Vital. Yes, that one. Yes, so now let me sign out. Bye bye, see you in my other next video. He got the touch of a Christian pastor, yeah. Oh no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you. Yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good. Nobody do it like Morris. Yeah. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh na na na.